I'm learning. It's okay. And I hope that suddenly got choked. Don't cry. I'm not crying. I'm just choked. Minum. Em cantik minum. Udah minum. My neck just got like very emotional. Your neck starts crying? Yeah, probably. I mean, got choked in the birthday countdown, totally not cool. But since this is a birth lemau day, it's okay, right? It's totally fine. Yes. It just add up the lemau thing, the lemau vibe, so it's okay. I'm just getting very lemau by nature. It's so natural. I don't need to think like how to be a lemau person, but yeah. You know, the perfect timing just came in time. Wow.